Welcome to the guide on how to download your JEE Main 2025 Session 2 Admit Card. How to download JEE Main 2025 Admit Card. The JEE Main 2025 Session 2 dates are April 2, 3, 4th, 7th, 8th and 9th as per the NTA's previous guidelines. Also, the JEE Main Admit Card 2025 Session 2 is expected to be released in 3 days before the exam. The JEE Main City Intimation Slip will be released before the admit card on the official website. Steps to download JEE Main 2025 Session 2 Admit Card. First, open the JEE Main 2025 official website. Click on the JEE Main Session 2 Admit Card download link. Log in using application number and password or date of birth. Link to download admit card will be displayed on the screen. Download and take its printout. Now let's see the official website of JEE Main. The step 1 was to visit the JEE Main official website. The notice will appear in the notification after when the NTA releases the JEE Main 2025 Session 2 Admit Card. The step 2 is to click on the link for the Session 2 Admit Card. The link to download the Session 2 Admit Card will be displayed in the Candidate Activity section. The step 3 is to enter your login credentials that you can download your admit card that will be displayed on your screen. Now we have come to the frequently asked questions. The first question is, can I change the exam center mentioned on the admit card? No. The exam center mentioned on the admit card is assigned by the NTA. If there is a valid reason for changing the center, candidates must contact NTA for assistance. However, in most cases, the center is fixed and cannot be changed. The second question is, what should I do if there is an error in my admit card? If there is any discrepancy or error in your admit card, such as incorrect name, date of birth, or exam center details, immediately contact NTA via their official helpline or email. Make sure to provide the necessary details for correction. The third question is, do I need to carry any other document along with the admit card? Yes, in addition to the JEE Main admit card, you must carry a valid photo ID proof such as Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, etc. to the exam center for the verification. Thank you.